button's already pressed.
Go on, press it.
No, I pressed the button already. Okay. Hey guys, it's Little Ellie here, and today we are doing the 3-marker challenge with Eat Slime Time. Did I say that right?
Yes. Lady with.
Can I call you Slime?
Why?
It's your Eat Slime Time. Slime.
Okay, slime.
She's slime now.
Slime.
Okay, so we're each gonna choose 3 markers, and we have to draw it on our squishy.
But we only have one round because.
Yeah, we only have 1 round, but I mean.
We were only one. We weren't. I don't have any squishies to sacrifice, and she won't sacrifice anymore, so only one.
Yeah, they're too cute for it.
And like mine's rock hard, and hers is so soft.
They're
She
exactly
gave-
the same squishy, but we cut them down. So you could draw on them, and now
It was rock hard before, and hers is so soft. She gave her.
It's like I'm
She
taking this
gave
one.
her guest the hard one,
I'm choosing.
and she stole that one. Okay. And wait. What? That one's good.
Bye.
Oh. That would be good. There's nothing there. You did good.
Oh, I did good. Got these markers.
That's so good.
Your turn.
This. I want to see it. Oh, yay! Ow!
Choose it.
Wait, let me go missing one of these. I
No,
want to
you don't get to see that one. You don't get to see
You
it.
got it.
Keep choosing. I only saw the first one. Choose.
Wait. Ow. I want this one.
Good.
Ow, my eyes. Yes.
Okay, you got a decent one. I'm most likely gonna paint over these.
I got a light pink, a super light pink.
That's a.
I got this really light baby blue, and then I got this nice colored blue. And
Nice
through it-
colored blue.
Hi,
Okay.
Doji. Hi, puppy. Hi, Papa. There's a dog. There's a dog.
Papa.
See?
Hi,
It's
Papa.
a doozy. Doozy. Hi.
How you doing?
Okay, let's start.
Let's start. We're gonna start doing it.
I don't know. We got really similar colors. Like, look.
5 minutes on the clock. Starting now.
Okay. I don't know what to do.
I'm gonna.
I'm gonna test my colors.
Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Oh yeah.
Oh, that will look good maybe if the colors are the right color that I want.
Speaking gibberish.
And actually, if your colors look good mixed, then you can actually mix them.
Yeah. So
What are these? What are these? Okay. Is that one? The pink is that one. And then the light baby blue is so dark. Look at that. The darker one is the baby blue.
seriously.
What is this? This will work though. We can deal with it. Okay.
Why is the squishy so squishy?
Mine's not, so mine will be easier to work with. Yahoo! Me.
It's been like a minute already.
What? Oh, this is not even at all. Oh my god. We're all gonna die. It's uneven.
If you can guess what I'm making now, you can guess what I'm making now. Not you.
Yeah. And not the dog.
Dorothy, can you guess what I'm making?
She's like, I can't speak. Oh, is it bread? I feel like it's a loaf of bread. Ow! Is it a hot dog?
Hot dog.
Like the pink. Look it. Not even close to what it says.
That's not close.
It's a liar.
Then what's mine?
What if it's light?
Let's check. Oh no, that's my Hogwarts acceptance letter. Why is this in here? So this is what mine looks like.
Oh, that's lighter than mine. Wait, what? That's not fair. Wait, never mind. It's not.
That's salami.
Ew! It's a That's some gross looking meat.
It's like that sandwich. Can't remember what it is, but it has like this ham on it and it's super pink. It's super pink. Like just this pink.
If I mix my light pink and my lighter blue, my pink and my lighter blue, then it makes like a pretty nice purple.
And then this is gonna be lettuce. Wait, that's blue.
And it's good enough.
It'll be lettuce. It'll be. It's my sub sandwich. Ooh, it's been like 3 minutes.
No!
We could take some more time now.
I can't. I haven't even got half of it.
Not my problem.
Yeah, it is your problem because I'm going to beat you up if you win. I'm kidding. That's fine. And there's no violence on this channel. I promise.
Sure.
5 minutes later, beating her. Kills her.
Whoops. Now I'm just touching up on the burgers design. I am so painting this.
Me too.
Or throwing it in the trash.
I think I'm amazing.
No, that's my squishy there. So, I get to paint that.
Fine.
Do you know what you're making?
Twinkle.
So, if you can guess what I'm making, even though I've told you already, can you guess what I'm making? I have issues.
But good job if you guessed a sub sandwich.
A subbed sandwich. Because I subbed it for you. Casual conversation ends. What is this?
This is so bad. Why does it have to be
the
3
worst.
markers? Can it be 5 markers? I need the dark blue that says it's light blue, but it's not.
It's light blue. No, it's not. It takes forever to do a squishy makeup.
Yeah, it's been 2 days and I haven't even started painting mine.
Oh, I finished one of mine and it's been 2 days. I think.
That's been
I think I lost
3
count.
or 4 days. It's
Fine.
been like 3 or 4.
Fine.
Okay.
Tickle attack!
I sabotage. That's what you
Oh
get,
no!
you
Oh no!
little
Oh no!
chunko.
Oh no! The time's almost up.
Wait.
Gotta fix it now. Wait, I can't even see where it is. I think we're fine. Did you fart?
No!
Dorothy! You smell! Can you not smell that?
No.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and a half, 1 3/4. 1. Done. Put it down.
Write my name.
Put it down.
I'm just writing my signature name.
I said put it down. She's a cheater. I win.
No, you don't. I'm
So,
just writing my name
here's
on the
my
bottom
subs.
like you're supposed to.
Here's my sub sandwich.
This is my
Pretty nice.
weird looking macaroon.
Trying to make a macaroon?
I lied.
Sure, it's a macaroon.
Okay, these were the colors I had to work with, and they don't look like how they're supposed to. She got lucky with her colors.
I have a sub sandwich.
She got lucky. No, she's not. She's gonna think.
Ow! Come on, time to sign off.
Okay.
Chunky. I'm joking. Chunky's over here. Because you call her Chunky.
Got them squishy.
Yay! Hogwarts acceptance letter. Come on! So this is my squishy. How do you like it? This is my nice, very nice sub sandwich. It's being obscured by that disgusting macaroon.
It's my macaron. I tried my best with the colors I had, okay? I want my name on the bottom. This one now. This is horrible.
So, come back here and we can sign off.
Wait.
Come back here to sign. Oh, thank you for my. You cut the thing off!
What thing?
This thing.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Wait.
This is mine. My squishy. So I get this ugly macaron.
Hey, you're mean. Okay, it is ugly.
I get this ugly macaron.
Now I'm
And
behind
this
the camera.
sort of ugly sandwich.
Yours is better than
So,
mine, though.
Yeah.
I admit it. We
I
might
win.
do a 3 marker challenge on paper instead.
Yeah. Let's do that. Eventually.
And we might get like
Thank you.
a white notebook and like other things.
Thank you for watching, guys. And see you guys later. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye.
Subscribe.
Random dancing time.
Turn off the camera.
Why?
I said
Why?
turn off the camera.
Ow. Hi.
No. Just no.
Hi.
Turn off the camera.
Oh God.
Turn off the camera.